Start பண்ணுங்க.
Hi, I'm K. Prakash, working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. In the lecture series of this solar energy, we have discussed about the introduction to solar energy, we have discussed about the concentrating collectors and non-concentrating collectors, and then in the last series we have discussed about the particularly the non-concentrating collectors, especially flat plate collectors. So, in today's session, we are going to discuss about the concentrating collectors. So, as already we have discussed what is concentrating collector is, we are focusing all things in a particular point. So, this is the, see here I am using a red light to focus this particular diagram or in this symbol. So, this is called as focus. So, this is a type of concentrating collectors. Now, this is a real time example of a concentrating collector plant. You can see this is a concentrating collector plant. It is a type of an trough. Okay. So, in the today's topic, we are going to discuss about the significance of this concentrating collectors. Okay. First one is the solar energy collector uses a refractive surface. When comparing with the concentrating collectors and non-concentrating collectors, in concentrating collectors, we are using a refractive surface. But whereas in the non-concentrating collector, we are not using any refractive surface. So here, this curved surface is called as a refractive surface. So to understand this refractive surface, one good example will go with a real-time application or where we are day by day we are seeing. If you take our homes, in every home you are watching TV. So we are using different networks to watch. There is Sun DTH, Airtel, everything we are receiving through a signal. If we go to our terrace and if we see there, the receiver will be a small part, but whereas at the bottom there is a round plate. What is the purpose of that round shaped plate? So, all the signals which is falling on the plate is reflected to a particular single point. So, this is a real-time example of concentrating collectors. The same principle is used here. So, here what we are using is the rays which are falling are reflected towards a particular point. This is the first significance of concentrating collectors. Coming to the second one, okay. Here the area on which the solar energy is focused is very small. Although it is falling on a vast area, everything is reflected and it is focusing on a smaller area. Okay. Whereas in the previous video we discussed that the collector area and the observer area are same. But here the observer area is very less. And coming to the third one. So as the concentration is more, definitely the power flux of the sunlight is 100 of times. It is increasing the power flux. And here, this concentrating PV modules, so these units can be increased. Okay, this can be increased according to the number whatever necessary. So based on the increase in number, what happens is we can obtain more energy. Okay. And here this collector also it is using both the diffused radiation and also the main radiation. Okay. So coming to the first non-concentrating collector, this is the parabolic trough system. Okay. So this is the main parabolic concentrating collector where this is made of a trough. Now let us see what are all the major parts here. Okay. Here there is a refractive surface. Here there is a refractive surface and there is a tracking mechanism here. There is a tracking mechanism and this is the receiver where the fluid is passing inside. Okay. Now what happens here? Okay. So here all the radiance, the solar radiance which is coming from the top, okay, is falling on this reflector surface. Okay, and then these all the solar radiance are reflected towards this receiver, this black color receiver. Okay, and then as it is received, it absorbs the heat and it is getting heated. Okay. So this is the main principle of this parabolic trough constant. So here it absorbs the beam radiation which is coming directly towards this receiver, or some radiation which is getting refracted to the refractive surface. So this is the working principle or the main significance of a parabolic trough system. Thank you.